I always get up at 7 in the morning. I wash my face after I get up. My mother prepares breakfast for me and I usually have breakfast at 7:30. My mom drives me to school every morning.
Don't forget to drink water.
Good morning.
Good morning, dude.
What do you do after school?
I follow after-school activities, and I go home and watch TV with my parents. What about you?
I take cooking classes after school and I go home by bus. I sometimes meet my friends and chit-chat at a cafe.
I don't like cooking. I find it boring. I prefer eating out to cooking.
I'm crazy about wearing casual clothes, because they are more comfortable. I'm keen on fashion. I like wearing trendy clothes. What kind of music do you like? I love classical music. I think it's terrific. What about you? I can't stand classical music. I find it unbearable. I enjoy listening to rock music. I think it's impressive.
Welcome to our White Show. I'm Bayezid Ozturk.
Thank you.
Today we have a guest. He is Ilber Ortaeli. Let's see how much we know about him.
Hi, Mr. Ozturk. Thanks again. I'm glad to be here.
Thank you. Me too. What's your favorite daily activity?
Every morning I do squats and push-ups. This makes me feel better.
Cool! What type of music do you prefer?
I'm into jazz music. I feel happy while listening to jazz music. I think it's energetic. Farid Adnan is my favorite jazz musician.
What do you think about travel books?
To be honest, I don't like travel books. I find them ridiculous. I prefer traveling to reading travel books.
You know 7 languages, right?
Yes, I traveled a lot. I saw many countries. I'm interested in learning new cultures.
You are amazing.
Thank you.
What do you think about George? I think he is a stubborn person, because he never changes his mind. What about you? Well, we don't get on well with each other. I don't count on him. He never tells the truth. Who is your best friend in our class? Selena is my best friend. I really love her. Why? We have lots of things in common. I like spending time with her. She always backs me up and she is always there when I need help. She is very supportive. Wow. You are real friends. Yes. Who is your best friend? Tell me. Jenny is my best friend, because she is a reliable person. She always keeps my secrets and never tells to anybody. That sounds awesome. I don't talk to Ahmed anymore. Why? He was one of your best friends. He is very laid back. He is very relaxed. He is very selfish because he always thinks of himself, and he is very bad-tempered. He gets angry easily. He is also a very jealous person. I don't like him. Bob is also a bad friend for me, because he is very arrogant. But his sister, Ayla, is a very generous person. She always buys me presents and shares her things. She is an honest girl. She always tells the truth. Her brother Bob is very mean. He never spends his money for his friends. You are right. I have to go now. See you tomorrow. See you. Take care.
Hi friends. I'm throwing a slumber party on Saturday at my house at 7 p.m. I hope we will have a great time together. Please inform me before Friday. Cheers, Samir.
Hello Samir, thank you for inviting me to your slumber party. I'm busy on Saturday, but I can't miss this party. See you there. Fiona.
I would love to, but I can't make it. I have another plan on Saturday. Thanks a lot for your invitation. Maybe another time. Bye.
That sounds amazing. I will definitely be there. Do you need help?
Hi Helena.
Hi Jack.
Are you busy on Friday evening?
No, I don't have any plans. Why are you asking?
Would you like to go to the cinema with me? I have 2 tickets.
Why not? That sounds great. What time is the movie?
It's at 7 p.m. I can pick you up at 6 p.m.
Great. See you on Friday.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Yemekdai's.
In this episode, we surprise you and make an easy traditional meal minran.
It's my favorite breakfast meal.
Here is the recipe. First, grate 4 tomatoes, and cut 2 green peppers into small pieces.
Second, pour some oil into the pan and heat it.
Next, chop 2 onions, and fry them for 5 minutes.
After that, add green peppers and grated tomatoes into the pan.
Finally, crack 3 eggs and whisk them in a bowl, and pour the mixture into the pan.
Cook it for 5 minutes.
Your minran is ready.
Enjoy it. Bon appétit.
Welcome to Damien's Kitchen. Help me, and today we are going to bake a delicious cake. Welcome, Jessica.
Thank you. Let's start with the ingredients. Please don't forget to write the recipe.
We need 3 eggs, a cup of sugar, a cup of oil, a packet of baking powder, a tablespoon of cacao, a cup of milk and some flour.
First, we should crack the eggs in a bowl, and add sugar. Whisk them carefully for 3 minutes.
Second, pour a cup of oil, cacao, some flour and baking powder, go on whisking for 5 minutes.
Next, pour the mixture into a baking tray. Then bake it at 180 degrees in a preheated oven for 20 minutes.
Finally, slice the cake and serve it with a cup of tea. Enjoy it.
What's your favorite food, Lucy?
Let me think. I like meat. I am very good at grilling it. I also like mushroom. I fry it with onion. What about you?
I like broccoli. I steam it. I also like grilled fish. I'm very good at cooking. Come to my house one day and try my grilled fish.
Really? I like grilled fish very much. Thank you for your kindness.
Hey Tara. I know you bake delicious cookies. I want to try at home. Can you help me about that? Of course. I will do my best. What do you want to learn? First of all, tell me, what do you put in it? Flour, butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla, and chocolate chips. How long does it take to bake? Around 30 minutes in a preheated oven. Can you tell me how to prepare it? Oh, I'm sorry. That's a long process. If you want, I can text you the recipe of it. That sounds great.